guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Brother Printer Wi-Fi light blinking. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Brother Printer here, there are going to be a few things you can do to probably solve this issue. So first thing you do here is you restart your printer. Now in this case, you want to unplug your printer from the wall outlet completely, then just leave it unplugged for a few minutes or an hour if you can. So don't rush this part. This is really important. So you need to basically drain the power from it. Now after that, you want to plug it back in, turn it on, and see if the Wi-Fi light stops blinking. Sometimes a simple restart here is what it does actually need here. Now if that doesn't work, you could try restarting your router instead. So in this case, you want to go ahead and plug the router from its power source, wait another minute or a few minutes, then plug it back in, and this might take a couple minutes to fully reconnect here, but once back online, check the printer again to see if the Wi-Fi light is now steady. Now, if none of those actually work, the next thing you could do here is to basically reset the printer's Wi-Fi settings. So resetting the Wi-Fi settings here might be different for your printer depending on what model you have. But generally speaking, you just need to go to your settings and go to all settings, go to network, and just choose network reset. Now from then on, you just need to press yes or OK. Just click on reboot OK here, and you just need to press yes for 2 seconds to confirm, and this will actually reset your network settings. Now in this case, just wait for a few seconds there to reset, but once you've done that, you can go ahead and reconnect it again or set up your Wi-Fi again for your Brother printer and see if that solves the issue. Now in this case, just basically reconnect it again and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, if none of those actually work, the best or last thing that you can do here is to contact Brother support for this one. So usually you can get support on their official website. So just to give you an idea, this is what the Brother website actually looks like. So depending on your country, mine in this case is going to be brother.com.ph / support. So in this case, you want to go to their support page here. So usually you just need to click on support and download. Scroll down a bit here, and you should be able to see the ways to contact them. Now you can either contact them on the following numbers. Go to a service center location. Now in this case, just contact them, say that you are having problems with your printer, and they'll be able to assist you on fixing this one. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.